Hi Riley, I just wanted to take some time to talk about how much I enjoyed working with you during our one-on-one tutoring sessions and how much I learned about you. I loved getting to know about you through our conversations, like how you love to play soccer and play outside as much as you can, and how much you like to play Minecraft and video games. I got to know you as a reader when you would read the books I brought you out loud. You always were great at reading all the words in the book and knowing how to pronounce almost all of them. To be an even better reader, I would suggest making sure you are pausing at the periods that are at the end of the sentences. I got to know you as a writer when I had you write down what you did over the weekend. From looking at your writing, I could tell that you did such a great job of writing a lot of different activities that you did. To be an even better writer, I would say that you can fill out a writing organizer in order to collect and organize all your amazing ideas. Thank you so much for an amazing time we did get to spend together, and I will miss our little games of tic-tac-toe that we would play at the end of our lessons. You are such an outgoing student, and I really enjoyed working with you. Good luck in the third grade.